Hi,
Hi.
everybody. Hi, Sarah.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing fine. So, what are you up to these days?
Actually, I'm just thinking to do something interesting and something new, as I have already learned how to speak in English, how to be a public speaker. So I'm just thinking to do something different, like new things. So that's why I'm just learning news reporting and debating as well.
Well, that's a great thing. So, as we both have finished our SSC examination, so we are now free.
Yes.
So, we have a lot of leisure time. So, I think we should give this on a work. I think we should work or learn a new skill that will help us in our future. Either going out, we like in every stage, we need to learn English. So, what do you have a preference? Like, do you have anything that English really does matter or not in this Bangladesh?
Okay, first of all, we all know that English is an international language. So, from Bangladesh, if you want to go from Bangladesh to abroad, or if you're staying to Bangladesh, nowadays learning English has become a most important thing. Actually, while giving SSC examination and actually through my journey in this school life, I faced so many situations that why I just learned that how important learning English is, because sometimes in our school there were some programs, there was some debate competition, there was some what can I say, public speaking competition, and both of them there were two segments, Bengali and English. So what I used to watch that in most of the students used to take part in Bengali or Bengali side. Actually, some of the only few of the students who just take part in English side. But when before joining LTDs, actually, before joining LTDs, my journey was started from 2020 during the pandemic time, and you were also there. And from that on, actually, I had become a public speaker, and now by the grace of God and by the grace of LTDs, actually, I can speak fluently right now. So I used to, after the pandemic time when the school was started, I took part in English public speaking, and gladly my teacher who was there, he just praised me so greatly that I got more motivation that no, I need to learn more things, and I need to learn more interesting things about English, so that I can just if I go to abroad or if I want to stay in Bangladesh, I can just do some innovative things actually. So that's why I just thought that this time I had a leisure time, why not use this time by just learning news reporting and by just learning debating. So that's why I already told I'm just joined with LTS. Now I'm learning news reporting and debating. What you are learning?
Well, news reporting and debate are the important thing. Like we need to know. It's a basic thing that we need to know. Otherwise, when I'm talking to you or anyone else, of course I need the language English. Most of the people know English, so I think that's a basic thing everybody should know. Even a 3-year-old, child should know even this.
Exactly.
Yeah,
That's why I'm just using my time doing so.
and I think you are investing in good.
Yes.
It's really good. So, do you think that the English you have learned in school, and now you're learning this in this platform? So, do you think these things, I mean, these two places have the similarities?
No, obviously not, because in school we actually learn reading and writing,
As well as grammar. Yeah.
grammar. Like, oh my god, just like you need in school, you need to memorize all of the grammars. All of the grammars means all of the grammars. Otherwise, there is a everybody used to say that if you do not memorize the grammar, you can get a good result in English second paper. As we
Yeah.
have two English in our school, English first paper and English second paper. So English second paper is all about grammar. So there is a myth, and everybody is to believe that if you do not memorize the grammars, you cannot be a good at grammars. But I couldn't believe that, and I was so like I wasn't good at that, memorizing the grammars. So after joining LTDs, my beliefs totally was wrong. That sir is to tell that if you make mistakes, do not just like sir is to tell that do not memorize the grammars. just think that you're just normally talking to someone. Do not think about the grammars. Automatically you will be corrected. But if you think about the grammars while talking, you will be just like, you will feel shy and you will be just thinking, oh, I'm just making a mistake, and that's how you cannot be a fluent speaker. So that's the big major difference in our school and in this platform. And after that, in our school, we used to just like, by using pen and copy, we used to write. But in this platform, actually, we just like, we write in keyboard, and that's the main thing. And most probably you joined that competition, that live competition, that typing skill competition it was, where some student wrote 200 sentence, 1000 sentences. And one day, most probably I wrote, I not wrote actually, I typed 500 sentences. And that's the big achievement in my life, that by typing I just wrote 500 sentences within 1 hour. So it was a great thing, and that's the difference actually between our school and this platform.
I also believe that because we can see a clear difference, which is in school we have to write with pen and paper.
Pens.
But when we are in this platform, we have to type, we have to talk. Our main key to speak English is our sound, our speaking power.
Exactly.
So I think that's the best option
Exactly.
to choose. No, rather than writing an
Traditional
exam. Yes. Yeah.
Exactly.
So, what do you have a thing that in learning English, is it really important for Bengalis actually?
Actually, because nowadays, if I just like, in my friend circle, one day I asked that how many of you want to stay in Bangladesh and how many of you want to go abroad. So there was 10. My 10 of friends were there. So two of them, literally 2 or 3 of them, were told that I will just complete my honors in Bangladesh, and rest of them, all of them, told that I will go abroad after HSC. So for them actually, those who thinks like that they want to go abroad after completing their HSC, for them, learning English is must. Must means must. Like, for everybody, learning English is must, because it is an international language. If you do not learn English and if you do not speak properly in English, you will face a lot of problems if you go abroad. And because, like, some of the people will know in some shop actually, if they were Bengali, they will understand that you are talking in Bangla. But rest of them, for example, if you go to England or if you go to USA, most of the people will be talking in English. But if you just if you go there and started talking Bangla, nobody will understand you what you are talking, and there will be a big communication gap. And that's why we cannot just ignore learning English. So to just show our leadership to other countries and to just represent ourselves in other countries, we need to learn English.
Okay, so we have a huge discussion on learning English. So, my last question to you is, do you think this platform, LTDEZ, is really a good platform to learn English rather than the other platforms? What do you think? But I mean, what the difference between these two things? I mean, LTDEZ and the other platforms. What's the difference?
First of all, LTDs is a mesmerizing platform because here their motto is learn through mistakes. That means if you make a mistake, nobody will laugh at you. Instead, they will clap and appreciate you that yes, you can make mistakes. That means you can learn English very fastly and it will be a easier task for you. But in other platform, if you go, if you make a mistakes, then everybody will laugh at you. The teachers will scold you. That means in that way you will become demotivated, and that's why it takes a lot of time in other institutions to become a fluent speaker. But in LTDs, if you just give 7 days and if you just continuously make mistakes and mistakes and mistakes, because here nobody will scold you. So if you make mistakes and mistakes and mistakes, it will take only 7 days to become a fluent speaker. That's why I just believe that LTDs is the best platform to learn English, because here their motto is learn through mistake.
Yes, also I believe that because in other platforms they will just give you a sheet and a book. Just like you read the book, they will charge you for that. You may read the
Exactly.
book and you will become a fluent
Exactly.
speaker. It will take a long days because everyone's memory is not the same.
Exactly.
You can learn this a topic in 1 minute. It will take me 5 minutes or more than that. So of course, I think that's a great platform. So we should go and learn in LTDS.
Exactly.
So yes, the debate and the
news
news reporting,
public
yes.
speaking, leadership, you can learn everything in LTDS.
Because there are many people, they're shy, they're introvert. Like if I talk about me, I was an introvert girl who didn't even used to talk with her friends.
Me? What about me? I was an introvert too. I couldn't except Bengali. I used to talk Bengali. Like I was shy to talk in English, but I was shy also in speaking Bengali in front of many people. Can you
Yeah.
imagine that? So now I can just talk for hours and hours in front of many
Without
people.
even giving a gap.
Exactly. Not only Bangla, even in English.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So viewers, that was our today's discussion topic. So in the next time we will meet you with another topic and that will be very interesting. So here we are done with Miss Shrita, who is also my batchmate and my yearmate as well. We are also in the same school. So yes, thank you for watching us. We will be back again soon. Thank you so much.